it's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. And before we get started, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, please. Any newcomers, welcome to the family. What's good? So y'all, without further ado, I know our anniversary was September 28th, and we're in the month of October. Unfortunately, AliExpress took their time, but I'm a woman of my word. So the giveaway is going to be a dupe. If you don't like dupes, or if this ain't your type of shindig, you can exit that way, or whichever way. So if you're a hater, don't even participate. Like, why even bother? Don't waste our time. But if you're a dupe lover like I am, I'm going to show you the options. So I decided how many I was going to pick. So as you know, last time I want to say I did 4 or 5. I think I did 5 giveaways. This time I'm going to do 2. So the requirements for this giveaway, you want to put pick me in the comments with a yellow heart, since I'm wearing yellow. So it's going to be pick me yellow heart emoji. So we have 2 options. If you get selected, it's first come first serve, whoever DM me at my IG. And another thing, you have to make sure you're subscribed, and you have to make sure that you're following me on IG. Down below right here, I'll put my IG name. It's @RareSecrets, so it's the same name as my YouTube page. So I'm going to be checking. So don't think you're trying to be, slick one. You have to be following me on IG, following me on YouTube, subscribed, and make sure you put pick me with a yellow heart. So y'all, the 2 options, we have Christian Dior dupes. So this hat is from my designer Dupe hats. Never wore it because, as you can see, my head was too big for it. So we have this Christian Dior hats, the bucket hats. It doesn't say nothing in the inside, but yes. So as you can see, the circumference of this is pretty big for the most part, but my head is just a little bit bigger. And y'all, I ordered this purse. So we're gonna open this. I wanted to open this with you guys. So yes, it says Christian Dior Paris, and it has the little D sign right here for Dior. Christian Dior. And basically, this is a purse. It's a miniature purse. You can put like your cell phone in here or something mini. I'm gonna take this plastic out. My phone out. I'm trying to tighten that in here. Yeah, this. Get the plastic out. Okay, there we go. So I have this in there. So yes, it's something small. You can put like your cell phone there, or some lip gloss, something, just little dainty and stuff. Basically, it's just a matching piece, as you can see. And it does have a strap that comes with it. It's a thin strap. Unfortunately, it's a little flimsy, but since this has the little ring right here, let me see if I can. The little ring right here, you can always buy your own strap if if this is not something you're interested in, because this is pretty thin. You can actually use this as a crossbody, but it's pretty long. So if that's something you're interested in, that's one of the giveaway prizes. So this is the first one, and first come first serve, so you gotta let me know if you want 1 or 2. So there we go for this one. Trying to make sure y'all get a good look at it. All right, so that's that one, y'all. The next one, y'all, this was the one I was waiting for, because I'm like, I've gotten so many compliments on the purse that I have, and I'm like, I just want to gift this purse to someone, purchase it and gift it. So drum roll please. So y'all, this one is the second option. What did I just drop? Okay, come on y'all. So the second option is this holographic bag, and this is the big boy. Because if you go on AliExpress, they come in 2 sizes. And let me just open this up. No, it doesn't have LV on it, but it does have the monogram print. But this is still a dupe of when LV did come out with a holograph line. So they came out with like a bag, a book bag, and all that stuff. So y'all, this can be used as like an overnight bag. So if you're going somewhere, you know, or even out, because I'm the type of person, even though people say, you know, you have your fall, your spring, your summer, your winter purses, I'm the type of person, if I want to wear it whenever it is, I'm going to wear it. No matter what the season is, that's just my prerogative. I'm the type of person, I'll wear white after Labor Day, or is it Memorial Day? One of those days. I'm that type of person. But, y'all, this is the big boy. Let me see if I can scoot on back. This is the big boy. And just so, because you know it's probably a hater, probably like, she got that bag. That's no. Let's not go there. This is my bag. See, I didn't want the big bag. This is my bag. And then this is the bag that I'm gifting for the giveaway. 2 different bags, y'all. This is the big boy, and this is Junior. Okay? I just had to, you know, I know I didn't have to prove a point, but this is my bag for my own collection, and I've had, you know, many compliments on here when I shared like my designer dupe bags. So yes, this is my prized possession, but I wanted to give somebody with this, y'all. So this, once again, is the big boy, the holographic LV dupe. Can y'all see that, y'all? It's cute, it's see-through. It also comes with this little chain. It didn't come with a strap, y'all. I blame it on AliExpress because it did not come with a strap. But I'm guessing since it's kind of like an overnight type bag, it's not going to, you know, look like that. But you can always buy a strap. And I don't know what this is. You know, I think AliExpress just put this in there, but yes. We have that. And I think this is so cute. So this is like an overnight bag, but if you want to wear it as a purse, you may want to get, you know, some type of chain. They sell chains on Amazon. I'll try to link some below just to give you an idea. And yeah, overnight bag. So once again, this is the giveaway. This is the giveaway. Well, both of these. So this one and then this one. So it's going to be 2 lucky winners. And once again, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you're following my IG, and make sure you put pick me with a yellow emoji heart. That's what I'm looking for. That's the requirements. If you don't follow the requirements, unfortunately, you won't be picked. So may the best person win, and I'll see you guys on the next video. So I had to come back, so I lied. It was a strap. It fell. So yeah, there is a strap that comes with this. I'm like, I know a strap had to come with this. Like, y'all playing. So yeah, hold on, let me just show y'all. I was gonna be like, So yeah, a strap does come with this to put on this side and connect it over, so you can wear it as a bag. I don't know, if it's not too big for you, you can wear it as like a crossbody, a bag, you know. So yeah, y'all, I had to come back. See you in the next video.